Welcome back to another weekly update video for Robinhood. For anybody that is new here, basically I am a dividend investor, so I buy and hold dividend paying companies with the ultimate goal of creating cash flow. So these are the companies I have here. They all pay monthly dividends. And yeah, let's just jump into the weekly. So basically up 4.5% for the week, 76.29 overall. As far as purchases, I invest $100 a week. So what we did this week is we bought 2 shares of LTC, 1 share of Stag Industrial, and finished off the rest of the $100 plus dividends into AG&C through fractional shares. So I just want to take a look here at the 1-month chart. As you can see, we're up 16%, which is crazy. 3-month chart, we are down barely 1%, but most importantly, we have recovered since the beginning of the crash, and it's not even June, so pretty crazy that it's happened already. I kind of speculated that would happen quickly, but this quickly is pretty crazy. So does it mean anything overall? Not really. It just means the prices have gone up and I'm not going to get in as good of a price, but that's why we dollar cost average into the market. So looking at income, Simply Safe here, we're projected at 154 annual, and the monthly down here is saying $13 a month is the estimated income. So just a small increase. Let's take a look at the spreadsheet here. So since the last video, we got dividends from all these companies. I know we were waiting on a lot of these to come through at the end of the video, but basically they paid out, and we got PSEC and PVA the last couple of days here. So overall, $9.23 for the month of May, just a couple dollars over April. But again, we are increasing month after month, so that is what we're looking for. And as far as June, I'm expecting it to obviously increase because we bought Prospect Capital, which is one of the biggest money makers in my portfolio. And on top of that, my watch list, by the time June, probably the middle of June, we'll have enough in the account to do margin investing. So what I'm going to do is basically spread out the $1,000, maybe more than that, we'll see, but into these 10 companies here. And this is the final list, so these are the ones I'm pulling the trigger on. And the goal of these companies was to find really safe companies. They are typically lower dividend, but really safe companies, and on top of that, they will give me the diversification that my portfolio needs, because right now we are way too heavy in the financial space. Obviously it's done okay for us since we have already recovered, but it is important to be diversified, especially because I'm going to be invested for decades on end. So that is the goal of these companies, and I think they will do just fine at that. So we're going to spread out our money amongst all of them and see what happens. So next month should be really exciting for the portfolio, especially since it'll basically have a $1,000 to $2,000 increase just like that when we pull the trigger on the margin. But stay tuned for that. So to end the video, I'm not doing any stock analysis. I just didn't get enough requests for that. I'm kind of surprised because I get messages on Instagram all the time asking about it, but I don't know, maybe people just aren't commenting for the video. I'm not sure, but if you guys want to see anything at all, whether it's stock analysis, maybe some questions about terms or whatnot, just let me know and I will be happy to make a video on it or just answer your question based on what it is. And on top of that, I will say that I am working on setting up some things behind the scenes here. I don't want to talk about it too much, but basically some methods that we can come together a little bit more as a community, and I can share some things that I can't really cover in a video. So stay tuned for that, but that pretty much wraps it up for this video. So if you like seeing these weekly updates, please hit the like button, and if you want to keep seeing videos like this, please subscribe and we will keep the ball rolling. But yeah, if you made it this far, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.